Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on EveryDollar account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Inside the URL box, type in everydollar.com and press enter to end up in the official website for EveryDollar. You will now find yourself in the Ramsey Solution EveryDollar account. Tap on sign in at the top right corner and enter your credentials for your account, and you will be able to log into your account. After you are logged in, scroll down from the left hand side of the screen and click on the settings button. Click on manage your account on the next page and click on change password inside the account tab. Enter your current password in the text box and then click on verify password. On the next page, you will be prompted to enter the new password and confirm it. Enter the new password you would like to update for your account and re-enter the password once again in the next field. Make sure that both of the passwords in the text boxes matches. After it does, click on save password and you will be able to change your password for EveryDollar. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.